Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics, but do them precisely. Check the monitor's power LED and ensure the outlet is live. Once done, inspect the power cable and swap it with a known good spare to rule out a faulty lead. Next, connect a second computer or laptop to verify the video source. This isolates display problems. Finally, perform a hard reset by holding the monitor power button for about 10 seconds. Then wait a few seconds and power it back on to see if the gray returns. Once you've confirmed power and source, focus on the signal path and internal settings. Use the monitor's on-screen display to make sure the input matches the connected cable, HDMI, DisplayPort, or DVI, and then reset the OSD to factory defaults to clear software misconfigurations. Inspect cable connectors for bent pins and receipt cables firmly. If available, swap cable types to eliminate adapter or port issues. If the gray persists, test with reduced refresh rate in the PC display settings to rule out timing mismatches. Now move to advanced diagnostics and potential hardware fixes. Run the monitor's self-test or service menu to identify internal faults. These bypass the PC and reveal panel problems. On the computer, reseat the GPU, try integrated graphics, and update or reinstall display drivers to ensure the video card isn't causing the gray screen. If you suspect a hardware failure, panel, inverter, or backlight, document the issue with photos and serial numbers, then contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.